Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dell G3 3500 15.6-inch gaming laptop with NVIDIA GTX 1650Ti graphics card. Let's quickly take a look at what information we can get from this particular box. So let's quickly open this box and take a look at the contents inside. So first off, we have the charger. This is a 130 watt charger, as you can tell, and this is the power cable for the same. Keep this over here. Now let's take a look at the laptop. We have some documents here as well. It's a little crushed. This is the user manual for the Dell G3. I'm going to leave this here as well. So this is what the Dell G3 3500 looks like. It has a matte finish to it, a matte black finish to it, and you can see the Dell logo right over here. It has a nice black and blue color combination going on. On the undercarriage, you will notice these are the vents, basically the cooling vents, and there are 4 massive anti-skid grips over here, anti-skid stops, rubber stops, and you can also notice, and you will also notice the G3 logo right over here. Lot of ports on each side. There you can see you have your power port, your HDMI port, USB-A port, and the LAN port. And over here you have 2 USB-A port, a 3.5mm port, and your SD card adapter. Let's quickly take a look inside, and it starts up the moment I open it. There's a fingerprint sensor over here as well, and the keyboard has a nice blue backlight. On this side, it's written that this particular laptop has 15.6-inch FHD display with 120 Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for not only watching videos and surfing the web, but for also playing video games. These are your media control buttons, and some gaming laptops have different design for the WSD button, and you can see this over here as well. And that's more or less it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Dell G3 3500 15.6-inch gaming laptop with NVIDIA GTX 1650Ti graphics card. Thank you for watching.